everyone, my name is Vinakshi Kaushal and today I'm here in Liberty Lara in Antalya.
I almost stayed in all the hotels in Antalya, Lara, and I would like to say Liberty Lara is one of the best hotels.
The reception area at Liberty Lara is modern, bright and welcoming. As soon as you enter, you feel the holiday atmosphere with its stylish design and comfortable seating area. The space is clean, well organized and spacious, making check-in smooth and relaxed.
So this is beautiful reception of Liberty Lara, and you can come here, take your pictures in the evening. It looks so beautiful. Look around, it's so sparkling all around. Very nice building. Very good. Very nice dresses. There's a nice snacks for you. You can have a look inside. Yeah. Beautiful and very yummy Turkish delight, and with some dried fruits. And yeah, you have apple juice, lemonade, detox water, and champagne too. So yeah, it's a nice welcome. I like it.
The lobby at Liberty Lara is spacious and comfortable with a relaxing atmosphere and a nice lobby bar. You can easily find the daily activity and entertainment schedule displayed clearly, including pool games, beach activities and evening shows, making it simple to plan your day. We are staying on the 7th floor and the view from up here is absolutely stunning, especially during sunset. The room is clean, bright and well designed, with a comfortable bed and a cozy balcony to relax and enjoy the sea and pool views. It's not very big, but it's perfectly comfortable for a relaxing holiday stay. The main restaurant creates a warm evening atmosphere with elegant decor and soft lighting. The layout allows smooth movement even when many guests arrive at the same time. The sweets section offers beautifully presented cakes and traditional treats. Service runs efficiently, ensuring a pleasant and relaxed dining experience from start to finish. Kids have their own seating area and cartoons playing on TV, making dining fun and easy for families. Evening snacks include delicious cakes, fresh pastries, tasty sandwiches along with tea and coffee. It's a lovely way to relax, enjoy light bites and take a peaceful break before dinner.
Lobby area, and this is my daughter's friend playing hide and seek with her.
Say hi.
A nice place to relax, enjoy, and have a good time.
Inside the hotel, there are small shops where you can buy souvenirs, beachwear, essentials, and gifts without needing to go outside. It's convenient and helpful if you forget something or want to take home a small memory from your trip. In the evening, the atmosphere becomes lively with the professional shows, music, and performances on stage. The entertainment team keeps the energy high, making every night enjoyable for guests of all ages.
So this is the nightclub, or you can say disco. It opens at 23:30 till 2 a.m. in the morning. It's only for 16 plus. You can see.
So this is the nightclub of Liberty Lara. Enjoy now.
I don't know whether you guys know about late night dinners, but yes, in Liberty Lara and many of the hotels they serve late night dinners that starts at 11:30 and goes until morning. So it's really amazing. Those who are dancing, staying till late, so it's very good for them because after dancing, you know that is hungry. So here is your late night dinner and enjoy your dinner.
So these are my kids, those who are always hungry.
The outside area is vibrant and perfect for spending the whole day outdoors. You can relax by the pool, walk along the beach, or enjoy the beautiful garden surroundings. It's also a great place to make reels and capture stunning holiday moments with the sea and sunset in the background. There are fun games and activities happening throughout the day, creating an energetic and enjoyable atmosphere for everyone.
Nice hotel. The wife of you. And you'll get this kind of girls to carry. The wife of you.
Liberty Lara. The hotel is relatively small compared to what I've been to, but it's a very good environment, very clean. The food is lovely. The beaches are good, not so crowded at this point. So wherever you are in Antalya, kindly come and try Liberty Lara. Yay!
6-7, very popular these days. And that doesn't have any meaning, guys.
The kids are telling me, Mr. Song is 6-7. What the hell is 6-7? Just two goddamn numbers.
This is gym, as you can see. They have all the necessary equipment.
So gym, as you can see, of Liberty Lara, and they have quite good machines that you can work out with. And if you are a fitness freak, so you can come and enjoy your workout with no restrictions, but it is only for 16 plus. So yes, below 16 they are not allowed, and they have very expensive machines and a good trainer too. Thank you and enjoy your fitness. Bye bye. And they have the thing in case you don't have to swim. So yeah, and the lifeguard is and the float. And it's so cool. It's so deep too. Pretty deep.
Everybody.
And now left hand. Left hand. Yes. Clap your hands. Clap zero. Now right watch. I will do. One. Look there. Look. I will go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 5. Very bad. Oh, very bad.
Oh!
Very bad. Sharing my new guest. She's so funny. She's so lovely. And now we're gonna show you our spatial dance. One left, baby. One right, baby. And one left and down. And shake your body. Yeah!
Oh!
Guys, so today is the last day and we are leaving this actually Liberty Lara, and I would recommend you please come and
Enjoy your stay.